Hey guys, this is your boy David Brown again. Today we're talking about boat food. What is the best bike that you can use for boat food delivery? And if you have your own opinion, you can leave it in the comment section. Will you use the normal bike or use the e-bike? And tell us your reason. That's what we're looking at today, because it's all about getting a lot of profit or making a lot of sales. And a lot of people have normal motorbike that I normally use for the delivery, but right now as I speak, we have a lot of e-bike in the system that are also making waves. But let's look at the benefits and the disadvantages of e-bike and then the normal bike. So let's look at the normal bike. Normal bike, is fuel consuming and you have to buy fuel all the time. This country, we're all complaining that fuel is expensive, but does it worth it? But when you look at the e-bike, you just have to charge. That's a good thing. That's cool. So that's why we take it for the e-bike. The e-bike win for that. Okay, the second thing that we need to look at, like maintenance aspect. E-bikes are not much in this country. So if something is not much in the system, maintenance service become very expensive. Imagine your battery got spoiled. Is it easy to replace? And for the normal motor, when your battery spoil, you can easily get it anywhere at a very cool price. But e-bike, you're looking at 3,000, 4,000 for just your bike. So your battery, just a battery. Sometimes you have to order it from online out of this country, which you have to spend dollars. And to take days to come. And your work will be paused for that moment. So I think the normal motor is better off for this part, because the advice I'll give to somebody who wants to start this food delivery something, I want to buy an e-bike or the normal motorbike, that's the Royal. I think you should go for the Royal, because the thing that you have to know about is that you are not the one going to ride it, and someone is riding for you. So at the end of the day, that person can misuse the bike. At the end of the day, it becomes a cost to you. So Royal, I think, will be the best for maintenance aspect too. But let's come to prices. How much is Royal Motor right now? As you speak right now, if you are like 15,000, 13,000, you can get a Royal Motor. But when it comes to e-bike, based on the brand and the strength of it, I think you have to be holding like 30,000 for a good e-bike, or 40,000. Some are even going for work and pay, do the sales and pay. But when you monitor the bikes for a period of time, the duration of the battery falls down, and at the time you finish paying the money, it becomes something else. Do you think this worth it? I think 15,000 and 30,000 or 40,000, there's a big difference. So I think you can go for the normal bike. But when it comes to the aspects of speed, the normal motor has the speed. The e-bike, it's have a limited speed that we can compare to this. But some school of thought also said, when you are using the e-bike, you can paddle it. That is giving you health benefit. By the motorbike, you're just sitting on it. So that's one plus two we can look at. But to me, in all, when you want to start a food delivery business now, and you want to add a bike to it, I bet you the best to go for is what? Royal Motor or a normal motor that can take you, just buy a fuel, you're good to go. Maintenance is what? Easy to get access to as compared to e-bike. E-bike, the parts are very, very hard to get. It's going to be something else. I think if this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more. And leave your comment in the comment section. Which one will you prefer? Or if you have used some before and you know the benefits, you can tell us. And what's your experience? Leave it in the comment section. Love you guys.